there appears to be an issue with owner's perception here, in that things have changed in the last 20, 30, 40, 50 years, in that our idea, or what is believed to be our idea of what is the correct weight for a horse, seems to have changed. Now, in the photograph is a show cob, very successful. You can see the rider's got the red rosette. Now, by any standard, that horse is grossly obese. You can see huge amounts of fat on his crest, covering his ribs, on his rump. That horse is extremely fat, probably 25% excess weight than he needs to have. Now, if we wind the clock back and take a look at a photograph of a show cob winning at this level 100 years ago, it would actually look quite different. And the key difference would be that it would be a lot thinner. Just a few general points about worms, just to sort of give you some idea of the kind of life cycle and how they live. The first thing we can say is that all horses are worms. Probably a worm-free horse more than a few months old doesn't exist in the UK, and it's a question of how many they've got, really, as to whether they have disease or not. And we don't aim to completely eradicate worms from horses. What we try to do is restore the balance in favour of the horse. And horses, if they have too many worms, it's because they have taken in too many larvae when they were grazing, or they haven't been treated enough, or for some reason their immunity is low. So if you have a situation of overstocking of horses, limited grass, very infrequent treatment, particularly if young horses are present, well, then you are setting up a situation whereby these horses could well develop very significant burdens of redwood.